incubator reef where the first pod is going to be going. Right there. The first eco pod, the inaugural eco pod. We got Alexa over there. We got Richie. JC way over there. We are on an operation, on a mission to figure out where our Bio AI camera is going to go. Shout out to our partners at Fathom Ocean, Drew Gray, his partner Trevor. Love you guys, love the work you're doing. Just got on a call yesterday with our guys over at Coral Gardeners. Looking forward to doing some work with them. It's gonna be fascinating, a bunch of coral gardens on the bottom of all our pods. But right now, we're going to figure out where our camera is going to be going so we can live stream to all you wonderful people the beautiful reef and all of the fish activity. Potential Bio AI location number 1, or maybe, oh, I don't know, 15 to 20 meters from the closest mooring to incubator reef. And let's check out what we're thinking. Like I said, 15 to 20 meters, maybe closer to 20 meters, about that, from the mooring closest to incubator reef. We're right at the drop off. We're in between a bit of a reef. Let's see what the 360 looks like. I think that's a good number 1, or not first choice, but potential number 1. All right, moving on. Bio AI potential location number 2. We're maybe 35 meters or so from the closest mooring to incubator reef. We're past the first section of reef where the drop off is, right where the slope gets to, I don't know, maybe 7 meters or 6 meters. There's some sandy seabed below us, so that'll be good. Let's check it out. I like it. Open. A lot of reef. A lot of sunlight access. Some overhangs. The empty seabed. We could maybe put a couple hanging trees there. It's got fucking perfect sunlight. This is definitely a good spot. I think this is better than the first one I showed. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, what we got? Okay, we are at location, possible location number 3. We're probably 80 meters maybe. Um, 80 meters from the closest mooring to incubator reef. So you can see the water's breaking right here. So I'm like right at the inside and the outside, open sea side. We got pod side, open sea side, breakwater right here. 80 or so meters from paddleboards from first mooring. Definitely better visibility, already noticeable. That's already for sure. And it was already good visibility on the other side on a great, this is a good day. This is probably an outlier of a visibility day, but JC wasn't wrong. I think we're definitely gonna want to run the camera out to this side. Let's check the orbit out. I really haven't found the exact spot, but there is more visibility. So as of this message, I'm leaning towards open seaside of Incubator Reef for the camera. But I think that other location I found, location number 2 on the inside of the reef, is a good backup because it gives some good area for us to do some hanging trees, maybe a reef ball or something, and a pin maybe for sea cucumbers. So that's a good option, and it's protected. So let's keep moving. Okay, on location number 4, we are, yeah, maybe still 70, 80 meters from the first, the closest point to the reef. We're closer to the open water side, really right at the breakwater line, maybe a little bit before it. Breakwater relatively in line with the end of Isla Linton, facing that way. And the reason I like this is it's got good visibility, it's pretty shallow. It's a little bit on the inside, but so it made it a little bit more protected if we put a sea cucumber pin here. And maybe if we do like a hanging tree or two. Still getting probably the good visibility though of the open sea side. And I like that there's a little seabed. Where we go? It's like a channel that we can always look at on knees. We had to work on something. Let's check it out. Wait a second. Did I just see a cable? Nope. This is big. I like the spot. Number 4. I've already seen number 4.5. This is a strong backup. This is where the inside was I was talking about. Very open. Very open. Great sunlight. Good kind of light already. Maybe 30 meters from the closest mooring, a little bit tucked in on Isla Linton, inside the breakwater. Very good for hanging trees, reef balls, our own stuff, obviously. and then this thing, this thing right here. I may have made this decision. I think we did 80 plus meters, 80 or so meters from the closest mooring to incubator reef. Closer to the open water side. The breakwater is like right in line with us. We probably pair up with the end of his little litten right there. Just a little bit outside of the mooring. Probably closer to the outside mooring right here as far as this way goes. And we got sunlight shine and just fucking perfect right here. Some seabed to drop on our knees, hike a coral tree, get a little work done. Put the center block without damaging anything. A nice big brain coral right here. Come to restore. I like this spot a lot. I like it a lot. As of right now, this is the decision. And that's Alexa. Alexa's from URI. She's a PhD student. Getting her ocean engineering degree. She's a pretty fucking badass. We're building some really amazing technology. And we're going to photo map this very soon with photographics. We're using her stereo camera. I'm really excited about that. She approves of the spot too. Ocean Builders coming at you 2022, baby.